Okay, let's see. Can I play better with the white pieces? Smith-Morra gambit can be a chance of getting some dynamism if he takes. Good. I want to get some dynamic play, especially after the last game. So it's important to have dynamic play, to have active pieces, especially in Blitz. So bishop d3, queen e2, bishop e3. Am I able to challenge bishop and castle or not? It's queen b6 can be annoying at the moment. I wouldn't think so. What about e5 and the Greek gift possibility? I'll play e5 here. Bishop e3 still. Okay. Put the rook on d1, play bishop b1. Let's get away from this diagonal. Okay, he's quite persistent with not castling, and he's indulging these other things going on. So, I'm ready for e5 now, I think. I'll play e5 here. Then maybe f5. That looks like fun. D5 is under pressure. F6 is a bit of a menace. It's a good point. Knight is holding up d5, so play knight d5 anyway. This is bishop b5 here. Could be a pain. Bishop b5 indeed. Oh man. What would I play? Bishop d3. No panic. No panic. Okay. So there's rook d6 here. Unless there's anything stronger. Rook d6. Is bishop f5 possible? Bishop c4. It's bishop d7 there. That looks a bit dangerous. King moves. Then what? Is that really feasible? Yeah, it might be. So bishop c4. Pawn situation is not so bad. I could just play b3 maybe. Now take on f5. Back row is a bit weak here. In fact, queen d6 would be a threat. Plays rook e8. Right. It looks quite loose because he's going to play g6. Don't really know. Back row is a bit painful. I have to do something about this stuff. I think rook here. Allow him to play g6 for a moment. Okay, he's not going for that. That's good news. I think. So I get to play this sort of thing for hitting f7. Actually b7 as well. Okay. And play h3, secure the back row. I think he's let me improve the position a little bit. Right, so let's play this move now, I think. Actually, wasn't e6 possible? That was worth investigating. Take some rook f8. In this position, still worth investigating. It looks dangerous. Check. Okay, not as dangerous. That's a shame. Not as dangerous. I'll try and fix the queenside pawn for a moment. And b4, a5. Okay. And queen g4 possible here. What's the threat though? I'm not really threatening anything. I'm waiting for rook e5 for rook f7. I'd fancy my chances there for the queen, for the two rooks. I was going for it. I would have thought the queen's quite good here. Maybe not. What about b4? Okay, b4. Does it try and get to b7 or something? So, this pawn can be a distraction, I would hope. No, he's going to sit tight for a while. Okay. It's going to be difficult to play, surely. Okay, b7 is now on. Okay, is there anything stronger? The check. No, I think I should take on b7. Oh, we're going to get a raw position here. Where is it actually technically possible to win this? Can I use the king or something? Is the king going to get in trouble? I'm not really doing anything here. I'll play h4. Maybe I'll go for it with my pawns. If I play with the pawns, yeah, king h3, and try and distract the rooks. That would be a blunder. There's no way for him to blunder in this position. You know what? Next game, I'm going for a draw. He's achieved the fortress. Can't see any way to make progress. Okay, this f5 wasn't really that good. Let's be objective about it. f5 wasn't that good here. What I need is a bit of confidence to win one or two, and I think things are not flowing that well at the moment. But let's see, maybe I can try to build on this draw, try and win the next game. So e5 really doesn't seem to have much bite to it. Maybe, you know, d6 is an issue. Rook d2 simply. I mean, you can't play bishop c6 actually here, can you? Because the rook takes d6. So just building on d6 could have been one method. I've just actually secured his d6 weakness by playing e5. By playing e5, you know, it's not as bad, is it? The d pawn is fine. f5 doesn't have that much bite here. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.